So let's do a step-by-step configuration of this audio interface. So step 1, make sure you have a USB cable, this type of USB cable, which is going to be connected to the audio interface on the USB port. So when you've connected on your USB port on your audio interface, all you need to do is plug it in your computer and you see the light will come on saying USB. The lights here come on. Let me demonstrate that again. So that indicates that the sound card is on. So the other step is to configure your audio interface in your DAW. What you need to do is just go to options, go all the way down to preferences. Then on preferences, make sure you select your audio interface on the input and output. Complete audio 2 selected everywhere, and all you need to do is apply. If it wasn't on complete audio, you just press OK. So the next step that you need to do is connect your monitor speakers to really see if your audio interface is actually working. So one cable will go on the audio output 2 and the other one on the audio output 1 for the left and the right. So what you need to do is, here as you can see, I have an audio placed in my DAW. So we're going to test out if it's actually working. So here you just have to make sure your monitor speakers are turned on and your volume knob turned all the way to 0 decibels. So now what we need to do is just click play and just turn the volume knob all the way up. And voila, your audio interface is working. So that's it for the step-by-step configuration of an audio interface. It's pretty easy. If you just follow these steps, you'll be able to work and do what you have to do.